All right. So we are recording. So let me just explain how you can actually submit your book and so on. So let me share my screen first.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, when we are presenting a video in other classes, the audio is not coming in the for the video, sir.
So what happens is Google Meet does not allow audio freely. So only if you share a YouTube video, if you share a Chrome tab, you'll get the audio. If you share the entire screen, audio will not be transmitted.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, your videos blur, sir.
Okay. Let me represent 1 second.
Now it's clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Now it's clear, sir.
Okay. So now I'm just showing you the screen. This is just your Google Meet screen. I'm showing you my perspective. So I'm now going to create an assignment in Google Classroom. So let me show you how this works. So I'm just giving some title here. I'm saying upload PDF of your answers for chapter 1. So I'm just going to submit this for all of you. So class 6 A, B, and C. I'm going to say points like 5. So when shall you have the due date? When is your exam? Shall you have it on Monday? Okay. So all of you have already what is that? You already completed your classwork. All you need to do is just take pictures and then you have to submit it here. Okay. Okay. So now let me just show you how we can actually answer this. Let me show you how you can actually answer by using this test class. So this is just a dummy classroom I've created. So whenever you open Google Classroom, you'll see that you have a new assignment. This is the simple symbol for the assignment. You'll see upload answers for chapter 1 here. And if you click on view assignment, you'll actually see that you need to submit this. Let me, okay. 1 second, everyone. So 1 second. Okay, here you go. So the next time you open your Google Classroom, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see your assignment icon, and then it'll ask you to upload a file. If you click on it, you'll see view assignment, and here you'll be able to see the title. It'll ask you for chapter 1, and on the right side, you can actually see add or create button, and you can see a turn in button. You can basically use this add or create button to upload pictures of your classwork. All right, so you can just click this button here and you can upload a PDF of your classwork. So let me show you how there is a simple way to create PDFs of your classwork. So let me actually present my phone screen, and let me just show you how that works. Let me stop presenting my.
Sir, I
Okay, if
have
you
uploaded,
uploaded, that
sir.
is very good. But those who haven't uploaded yet, you can just look at the screen and you can learn.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay, sir.
So
Yes,
let me
sir.
just show you. So if you go to the Play Store, you can find many apps. So there is one very good app we can use to actually create PDFs neatly. There is a app called as Adobe PDF. Okay, so let me just type Adobe PDF. Okay, I just typed Adobe PDF into the search box there, and you can actually see.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, your presentation is visible, sir, but not clearly visible, sir.
That is okay.
Yes.
You'll have to adjust. I'm presenting my phone screen, so you'll have to adjust.
Sir,
So
it
it
is.
will vary.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Okay,
it
if
is
you
clearly
still
visible only, sir.
okay, to some it will be visible, to some it may not be visible.
Yes, sir.
The thing is,
Sir, I'm already using the Stab Scanner app, sir.
okay then okay. Uh, Not the scanner app. We want to go for this Adobe Scan. You can see this Adobe Scan right here. So this is one very good app you can use. We're going to use this app to create PDFs very neatly. Okay, let me
Right.
just show you how that works. Is everyone clear?
This
There's no-
app is used to make PDF, sir.
Yes, you can make very neat PDFs with this app. Okay, this has some very good functionality. You can use it to create very neat PDFs. So let me show you. I've already installed this. So let me show you how this works. So here I have my Adobe PDF open. So what it's doing is it's basically you have many modes you can select from. So we want to select document mode. So once we select document mode, you can actually see there are 4 dots appearing on the screen. So what these 4 dots are, these 4 dots will basically look for a border. So here you can see I have a book in front of me. So what's happening is I don't have to click on any button. So this
The
Adobe
screen is
PDF
not
will,
visible, sir.
okay, I'm actually
Now it is
speaking.
visible, sir.
Okay, I'm actually presenting from a phone. I'm just speaking through the computer. So just listen. So I'll just use this Adobe PDF app, and I simply hold my phone over the book, and it has automatically taken the picture. Now, if you click on continue, what will happen is it will actually store that. It will actually store the image. I can just see in the bottom. You can just see the
Sir,
image.
in first it will ask sign in, no, sir?
No need to sign in. This is Adobe PDF. This is a free app. There's no need to sign in. And as you turn the pages of your classwork or book, okay, as you turn the pages of your classwork or book, it will automatically take pictures. So here you can see it has taken the picture and it has detected the edge also. So let me click continue.
Sir,
So let me
Sir, it is
demonstrate one more time.
Sir, it is asking the email ID for the sign in, sir.
Okay, click on skip sign in. I think there will be a button to skip. You can just click
Sir?
on skip.
sir,
Yes,
sir, if I use another app to make PDF, it is okay, sir.
it is okay. So this is just one app. This is easy for you to use. So you can use any app. So some of these PDFs app may have some spam inside. So they may have some viruses or something else inside. So it's better to go for some very standard apps. So this Adobe PDF is from the Adobe Corporation. So it's safe to use.
Sir, can you please after class share the link in the group, sir, for the
I'll share
tab?
the link now. Okay, I'll share the link now. Don't worry. So this is how you use the app. So there is no capture button. All you need to do is just to move your phone over the page. If you just move your phone over the page, it will just automatically capture the image for you, as I just shown you. It is very quick. So if you want to retake any of the pictures, you can just click on this retake button. Okay, so if you're done taking all the pictures of your classwork, just click on continue, and finally just click on the gallery icon. You can see this gallery icon. You can see 6 pages are recorded. So let me just click on it. Once I click on it, you can actually see all the photos I just took. So you can see all the photos. So once, yes.
Sir, it is coming in black and white, no, sir. We can change the color.
Sir,
You can change the color.
sir, if you have PDF maker app,
Fine, sir.
Listen, you can use any app of your choice. It doesn't matter. You can use any app. So I'm just showing you a demo for those who don't know how to make PDFs. Okay. So
into this. Sir, can we do?
those who are not sure or those who haven't made PDFs before, you can use this app.
Children, please wait. Let sir complete. Okay. So once sir has completed, you will get the clear idea of what to do actually. So please wait.
Okay. So let me just explain. So once you've taken all the pictures, you'll see all of your pictures right here. You'll see all the pictures of your classwork right here. And in the bottom, you have many options. So you can see there is a crop option, rotate option, add color option, cleanup option, and so on. So we'll just use these options. I'll just show you a demo. So here you can see this picture looks fine. I don't have to do anything. This picture also looks very good. I don't have to do anything. Next, this picture, you can see it is actually rotated. So I have to rotate it back to the proper orientation. So I just click on the rotate button. 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. So you can see now the page is in the proper orientation. I'll just have to do this again. Okay, I'm just using the rotate button. And here we go. I have all the pages in order. So let's say one of the pages is not in order. I can use this reorder button in the bottom to actually drag the pages in the proper order. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see all the page numbers. Let's say I want to put this page number 5 in the bottom. I can just click and drag and drop. If you want this page number 2 to be in the last, I can once again drag and drop. It's as simple as that. So you can use this app, and once you're done editing, making all your changes, you can see there is a file name button right here. You can see Adobe Scan and this date. If you click on it, you can add your own file name. Let me say something like sample document for upload. Okay, all of you can just give the name something like class 6 CS classwork. Okay, so once you do that, your name will be updated, and all you have to do is to click save PDF. Once you click on save PDF, the PDF will be now available. It will be now saved to your phone's memory, and from your phone's memory you can upload it to Google Classroom anytime you want. All you need to do is to open Classroom. You can just go to your respective class. Wait, let me find a sample class. You can just go to your respective class, and you can click on this assignment. You can click the up arrow key. So you'll have to go to this CS Class 6 classroom. Then you'll have to find this upload classwork question. Then click this up arrow mark. Once you click this up arrow mark, you'll see add attachment button. Click the add attachment button, and then click file, and then select the PDF what we just took. Okay, so you can just do that, or you can just click on new PDF and you can make it. Okay, it doesn't matter. You can use either way. You can use any app. So those who have no idea how to make a PDF, just use Adobe PDF. It is very easy. It doesn't have any ads, so you can use that one. So if you have some other app you want to use, you can go for that app also. It doesn't matter. So is that clear to everyone? Is that clear how you can upload the classwork?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then.
Yes,
So
sir.
let me stop presenting this phone screen. Let me present the computer screen now. Okay, I'm presenting now. Now that everyone is clear with actually, clear with uploading the classwork, shall we see some new topics today? Maybe you can have some simple practicals also. So let's actually create some animations today.
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Sir, discuss the midterm portions and check whether everybody have completed the activities, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, 1 second. Okay, as ma'am said, let's see the portions. 1 second. Let me bring up the portions. So for class 6, the portions will be up to page number 31. From the start all the way to page number 31. That will be your exam portions. The pattern will be mostly MCQs for 40 marks. So page number 31, let me just show you page number 31. So here is page number 31, the last page of your exercises. So you'll have to basically look at all the questions relating to the basics of Flash. So quickly let's just see everything. So you need to know how to open Flash. You need to know what is the name of the corporation that owns Flash, who created Flash. Then you need to know all the elements of your Flash screen. Then you need to know about all the tools, the names of all the components of Flash, like library panel, timeline, stage, etc. Then you need to know about the use of each one of these elements, like timeline. What is the use of the timeline? You need to know the uses. Next, most importantly, you need to know about all the tools in the toolbox. So once you know, you have to know the use of each one of these tools in detail, so that you can answer the questions quickly. This is all you have in chapter 1. Okay, so you have your all the explanations here. Everything is given neatly, and you can also take a look at your book back exercises. I will be asking only simple questions, so don't stress or worry about this. Just simple questions from all of these concepts. Once you have, yes.
Sir, no theory questions, sir.
I don't think theory questions will be minimal. Expect less number of theory questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we will have something like one word or one line. That may be it. Not many theory questions. Okay, so and you have some additional theory concepts in chapter 1, like you have some.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Is my voice breaking for everyone?
No, sir, it is clear only, sir.
No, sir.
Yes,
No,
If my
sir.
voice is breaking, it's probably because of a network issue on your side.
Sir, can I rejoin? Sir,
Yes, you can rejoin.
sir, can I
Okay.
rejoin, sir?
Yes, you can rejoin. Sure. Okay, so you have some theory, like you have some theory about how to use layers, what is the use of layers, what is the use of grid, and so on. So you know, you can just readjust all your objects on top of each other on or the below by using these layers. You can use symbols if you want to reuse certain graphics again and again. You have all of these concepts. You just need to know about all of these. Of course, you need to know all the questions in your exercises. Do you have any
Sir, you are
questions you have in
speaking
the
very
exercises?
fast, sir.
I'm speaking very fast because we've already seen all of this. And so, if you have any questions, I'll try to answer your questions.
No,
Does
sir,
anyone
you
have
are
any questions?
Pattern of the question.
Pattern, it will mostly be MCQs. MCQs meaning multiple choice questions. You'll have to choose the correct answer. You'll have maybe some 20 to 30 of those choose the correct answer, and you may have some 10 fill in the blanks, and you may have some 10 one word questions. Okay,
Okay,
we are
sir.
not sure on the pattern yet.
Okay, sir.
We just I can just tell you these are going to be only MCQs. You can choose the correct answer from given options. There may be some questions where you may not have any option. You'll have to just type the correct answer. Okay, so not detailed questions where you'll have to type for a long time. Will be some simple questions where you can just type one word answers. Okay, does anyone have any questions in chapter 1?
No, sir.
Okay, then so let's actually start chapter 2 then. Ma'am, shall we start chapter 2?
Sir, will you send again the YouTube playlist of our recorded class,
The
sir?
YouTube playlist is in your Google Classroom. So if you go to Google Classroom, let me just show you. If you go to Google Classroom, if you click on the classwork section, you can see there is a tab called as recordings. So if you click on this recordings, you can see the link right here. The link does not change. Just click on this link, you will see all the videos right here. So I don't think I've updated the videos for last week and the 1 week before because I was out of station. So I'll try to update this maybe after this class. Okay.
Okay,
So once I update, these will be available. Just go to your Google Classroom and click on the recording sections. You have the link right here. This link will not change. Okay, everyone. Shall we start the next chapter?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. we
So now
can.
we're going to start chapter 2. Now we are actually going to learn how to make proper animations. So let me just boot up my Windows. 1 second. Okay, so while Windows is booting, let's just go through all the concepts. So on the first page, we have the concept of squash and stretch. Squash and stretch is like these are all some advanced animation techniques. So if you have a ball and if you bounce that ball, the ball is going to actually expand and contract. As it hits the concrete, it's going to get squashed, and as it moves away, it's going to expand. So we'll see how you can actually make a detailed animation in which you can actually incorporate all of these effects also. So that's what we're going to do in this chapter. But before we actually start doing all of those, we first need to make a simple animation. So let's make a simple animation first. So the procedure to make a simple animation is actually detailed here. From page number 32, if you just look at the steps given here, you can just see all the steps in detail. I'm going to follow the same steps. So let me just start this. So first we are simply going to create a Flash document. Then we are just going to draw a simple line onto the floor, onto the stage, and we're going to call it the floor. And then we're going to go to a different layer, and then we're going to draw our animation. So once we draw the animation, let's see if you can do it on your phone also. There is one app which you can use to create simple animations. Let me demo that app also, then you can try it on your own. Let's see. Okay, it is still booting. So in the meantime, I'll just show you the app. Both my Windows and the BlueStacks is still booting, so just please wait. Okay, here we go. So there is an app called as Flipperclip. You can see the name right here. We can actually use this Flipperclip to create some simple animations. So whatever we discuss in Flash, some of those concepts are available in this app also. So let me just explain how you can create the animation in Flash. Then let me show you how you can use the same effects in this app also. Okay. So the Windows is ready. Windows app is ready. Let me just demonstrate quickly. Then we'll go for the Android app. So as usual, I just go to start and I click on Macromedia Flash 8 to start the Flash program. Let me go full screen. Here we go. You don't have to install the app right now. I'll show you how the app works. Just listen to this Flash demo first. So firstly, let's click on Flash document. So once we click on Flash document, we can actually start animating right away. So first we need our animation object. So if you take a look at your book, everyone just take a look at your book. We're just following all the steps given in your book. So the first object we want is a ground. So what we'll do is we'll just go to our layers here, and we'll just rename this layer as the ground layer. So I'm just going to double click. I'm going to say ground. So in this ground layer, I'm only going to have the ground picture. So to create the ground picture, I'm just going to use this rectangle here, rectangle tool, and let me just draw the ground. So I can change this color to something like brown. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. I have the ground now. So the ground is in the ground layer. So we completed steps 2 and 3. Okay. Steps 2, 3, and 4. Now let's go to one more layer. As they have told, maybe I didn't do it in the proper order, but I've created the ground layer. Then I've drawn the ground, and let's go to step 5. So the next object we need is our ball. So to create our ball, I'm going to go to a different layer. So let me click insert layer. Next, I'm going to type ball layer. Okay. Oh, sorry. So the ground layer is in the bottom and the ball layer is on top. So let me just hide the contents of the ground layer now, and let me concentrate on drawing the ball. So let me click the oval tool and let me start drawing. So here you can see I'm using the oval tool, and you can see just above the cross, you can see a circle indicating that what I'm drawing is in fact a perfect circle. So let me let go and let me change the color of this ball. Let me change it to something like green. I'm just using the paint bucket tool to apply the color. Okay, now we have the ball, and let me just make this ball into a symbol. So here you can see whenever I move the ball, so the fill and the outline are actually going in two separate ways. So we are actually discussing the contents of page number 33. Once again, we are discussing the contents of page number 33. Let's just continue. So you can see whenever I try to manipulate the ball is not coming properly. So what I'll do is I'll just make this into an object. I'm using the selection tool, dragging over the entire contents. Then I'm just going to go for modify. I'm going to click on convert to symbol. It's asking me the name of the symbol. I'm going to say ball, and it's asking me the type. This is the image, so I'm going to select graphic. Then I say OK, and now we have this this ball is now a symbol. Now let's go back to our ground layer, and here you can see the ground layer also has the same problem. So let me make the ground also into a symbol. So modify and convert to symbol. Okay, so now that's done. So here you can see ball is in the ball layer and ground is in the ground layer. So now let's actually start animating. To actually start animating, we need more frames. So I think everyone is familiar with the concept of this flip book. So in a flip book, we'll draw consecutive images in many pages. Same way, we're going to create many frames. So we're going to create many frames, and we're going to create consecutive images. So let me just demonstrate. You'll understand better. So we've completed step 8. Now let's continue on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to one of the frames, and then I'm going to say insert keyframe. All right. So once I insert keyframe, I'm just going to go to the ball layer, and then I'm going to say insert keyframe. So what this will do is it will actually create another page for me. Okay, where I can actually draw and animate. So I'm going to go leave 2 more steps of gap, and then I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to say insert keyframe. Okay, let me show you what is the use of all of this. And I'm going to say insert keyframe one more time. Insert keyframe one more time. I'm just leaving some small standard gap, and then I'm saying insert keyframe. So now what is actually happening is I've drawn this ball across all of these pages. So let's actually use one feature of Flash called as onion skin. With onion skin, what actually happens is you can actually see the contents of both frames at the same time. So here you can see the onion skin view pattern right here. So if I click on any area, if I move this ball slightly, you can actually see the contents of the first frame and the contents of the second frame. Okay, so now what I'm doing is if I click on the first frame, I can see the second frame, the ball is actually moved somewhat. So this is how I can create the animation. I go to the second frame, move the ball a little, go to the third frame and move the ball even more. Next I move to the fourth frame and move the ball even more. So I can use this onion skin as a reference, and I can actually create a simple animation. Okay, finally I have the last frame. and I move the ball over here. Okay, so here you can see we've created a simple animation. I'll show it to you once more. I'll show it to you once again. So don't worry if you've not caught some of the concept. So here I've just created a simple animation. So let me just play it back to you in speed so you can actually observe. Okay, so here you can see in the animation, the ground layer is appearing in the first frame, but as we move ahead, the ground layer is disappearing. So let's add one frame, one page for the ground layer also. I'm just going to right click here, and then I'm going to say insert keyframe. So now the ground layer is also copied to the background. So let me press play here. I'm going to just click the enter key and you'll actually see the animation. Okay, once again. So here you can see the ball is actually moving. So this is what we call as an animation. We just use this ball on the ground to create a simple animation. Of course, we can change all of these. So let me show you how we can change all of these. So here you can see in the animation, the ball is actually not touching the ground at all. So let's change that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this timeline. I'm going to click on the particular frame which needs to be adjusted. So the frame that needs to be adjusted is this frame 11 or something. So let me just drag the ball and let me make it contact the surface. So I made it contact the surface. Next, let me go to the next frame and let me actually adjust the trajectory of the ball. Let me click keyframe again. Let me, I'm just following, repeating the same steps. Just using this onion skin as reference to actually create my animation. You're going to do this practically, so don't worry if you're not able to grasp this quickly. Okay, now I just created all the steps in my animation. I've just drawn the ball, drawn the ground, then I've used this timeline to basically create pages like a flip book. In a flip book, you'll draw your diagrams on the pages. In Flash, I'm drawing all the balls in these frames. In real life, we call flipbook pages. In Flash, we call all of these as frames. So I'm just drawing the ball in each and every frame. Since the ball is a symbol, I'm actually able to move the entire ball and I can actually manipulate the image. So let me just play it now in full speed. So here you can see the ball is moving. Okay, once again, you can actually see the ball moving. This is how we create an animation in Flash. Okay, so here we've learned one important topic, that is the topic of that is the concept of frames, and we've learned about onion skin. So this onion skin will basically give you an insight of where the image is in different frames. So if I click on frame number 5, I can actually see in frame number 1 the ball was here, and in the next frame the ball is going to be here. The onion skin shows me the preview of the movie. Okay, it simply shows me where the ball is in different frames. So I think this is enough of Flash demo. So everyone can try the same demo in your devices also. Let me just show you BlueStacks.
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
Yes, what is your doubt?
Sir, when the ball bounces, the
Yes.
bottom place will become a little flat and then only become
Yes.
a ground once more, no, sir. Otherwise, it will be like a wooden or steel ball hitting, sir.
Yes, you can, very good. So you can adjust the same. So what you can do is you can just go to the frame. That's a very good question. You can go to the frame where the ball is actually hitting the ground, and you can use your free transform tool, and you can apply that squash effect. So just observe. So I'm using the free transform tool and I'm just squashing the ball a little bit. Okay. So I'm going to the next frame and I'm going to apply the same squash. Then I'm going to rotate this ball slightly. Okay. Rotate the ball slightly. and I'll go to the next frame and I'll apply the same effect. Okay, this is just for realistic animations. You can actually practice this when you actually start animating. So let me just play it now with the effect applied. So here you can see the ball is getting squished and it recovers. So if you want, you can add more depth to this animation. You can add more detail.
Sir, it does not touch the ground, sir.
It is touching the ground.
Yes.
Maybe you're not able to see because of this Google.
Sir?
Yes.
Understood, sir.
Sir?
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how to play the animation, sir?
To play the animation, you can just use the enter key. So what happens is your timeline is like your flipbook pages. If you want to flick through all the pages of your flipbook, you will use your thumbs. Here, instead of the thumb, I'm just using my enter key. If I press the enter key, Flash will scroll through all the frames at a set speed. So the speed is measured in FPS or frames per second. So what's happening
Okay,
is
sir.
it's going through 12 frames a second. So we have some 40 frames. It's completing the entire movie in 3.3 seconds.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let's see how you can do the animation on your own. We don't have much time. So let me just explain quickly. We are going to use an app called as Clip.
Sir, doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, now you did not, sir. That is how they will create cartoons, or they will use some advanced techniques, sir.
There are advanced techniques. So this is a manual way of creating the animation. Even Flash has advanced techniques. We are going to study all the advanced techniques. So before we go for the advanced technique, we need to learn the basic technique. So this is the basic. After some time, we'll go for the advanced technique. Once everyone actually practices this, we can go for the advanced technique.
Sir,
we
this
can
app
use in
will
phone also,
support
sir.
for tablet, sir.
What?
Sir, we can use in phone also, sir.
You can do it in phone. That is what I'm trying to explain. There is this app called as Clip with which we can actually practice animation in the phone itself. Okay. So let me just demo how you can practice Flash in your phone. So all of you can install this app with the permission of your parents. The app is called as Clip. Okay. FLIPACLIP. You can create some cartoon animations using this app. So once you install it with the permission of your parents, you can click on open. Once you do so, you can actually see the loading interface. And here you can just see some sample projects that have been that are available for you to look at. You can create your own sample projects of this by clicking on this plus button.
Sir,
Yes.
I am downloading in my mobile, sir, now.
Okay, so if you download, you can just practice. For now, just listen on how you can actually use this Clip. Once we have another 10 minutes, so once the 10 minutes is over, you can actually start asking your questions. So this is very, very easy to use. I'm sure all of you can use this app better than me or any other adult, since you have a lot of imagination left. So let me just show you. So to create a movie, just like what we've done in Flash,
Sir,
click on the plus icon. Yes.
sir, it is asking how old are you, sir?
Just tell the name. Just give something like 12. Just give your actual age.
We should give our actual age, or we can give another.
Give your actual age.
our adult age, sir. Otherwise, it will not confirm, sir.
Okay, you're going to install this with the permission of your parents. You're not going to do it on your own. So when you're installing, make sure you ask your permission, ask your parents' permission. Ask them to install the app for you. If there is any registration process, ask them to make it for you. So I installed this. It didn't ask me for any information.
Sir, in Craft, they are not asking to sign in, sir.
Okay. So that doesn't matter, everyone. Just listen. We can ask those questions later. Just understand how we can create this animation first. Okay. So once again, just open the Clip. Ask your parents' permission. Ask them to install it and sign in for you. And once you're done, you can actually click on this plus sign, and you can create your animation. So let me name my animation as first animation.
Sir, can you show how to do, sir?
That's what I'm trying to do.
We should give our actual age, sir.
Just ask your parents. Ask your parents. Do not do it yourself. Okay.
Yes, sir. I
Sir,
asked
is this
my
app safe,
parents.
sir?
He said they will ask email also. My mother asked, sir.
Okay, let me answer that question after the class. So let me finish this first. Okay.
Yes,
Sign
sir.
in questions will be answered after the class, so just listen. So give a project name and you can choose the background of your choice. So there are many backgrounds that are pre-made. So let me just use this crumpled paper background. So I just chose this. Next I can choose the canvas size. So I can use any canvas size. I'll just go for this 1080p, and you can click on create project. Once you create project, your stage will be set for you. So here you can see the stage. So on the stage you can just start drawing. So here you can see multiple layers are available. You can see the
Like
layers
paper,
symbol.
sir.
Just like your paper. Yes, just like your paper. So just like Flash, we have all the frames right here. You can see the frames right here. You can see the layers right here. So this is a mobile application. So it is not exactly like Flash.
Sir, like stick, sir.
Yes, just like stick. Okay. So you have
Sir,
your pen right here.
sir,
Yes.
sir, where are the frames, sir?
In the bottom, you can see the frames in the bottom. Let me demonstrate how you can create the animation now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So as I demonstrate, you'll understand. So I just clicked on the pen icon. You can click on this stick pen or pen icon, and you can start drawing. The tools are very simple here. You can see the fill tool, text tool, lasso tool, rubber tool, and pen tool. So let me click on the pen tool, and it is you can select the color here. Let me go for red color, and let me select this pen. Let me go for this brush here. I can set the thickness of my brush by simply dragging and dropping. Let me go for this color.
Sir,
Okay.
we can insert images, sir.
You can insert images. Okay. So now let me just draw a simple ball here. So here you can see in the first frame of my movie, I've drawn a ball in this location. So let me go to the frames tab and let me create one more frame. Okay, just observe. This is the frames area. I'm just going to click this plus sign now. Now I'm going to create one more frame. Okay. So now you can see.
How to change the background, sir?
Okay, just 1 second. Let this ad go away. So this app is not a free app. You will get some ads, but we'll have to do it. But you can use this app to actually learn. So once you're done learning this chapter 2, we can get rid of this app.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so let's see if I can bring this back.
So no need to do that, sir. Using the two paths.
Yes,
Sir, we can use this in computer, laptop, and all, sir.
you can use it anywhere. Okay, so
Okay,
just
sir.
listen.
Tablet, sir.
In laptop, you can actually just install Flash. Let me give you some alternatives for laptops, but this is available just for your phone. So just listen. Let me show you all the. Let me finish the demo.
Sir, the name is Flippa Clip, no, sir?
Yes, children, just wait. Let me finish the demo. Okay. So here you can see I can actually see the contents of the frame, but I cannot see the onion skin. If I have to enable the onion skin, I can go for these options right here in the corner. Then I can select onion. Okay, once I select onion, I should be able to see these frames. Okay,
Sir?
here you go. I can actually see the onion skin right here. Okay,
Sir?
so I can use this onion skin as a reference. I can continue drawing.
Sir?
Yes,
Sir, this app is free or we should pay money, sir?
it is free. App is free, but you'll get some ads in between. Anytime you play and stop, you'll get some ads.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just
Yes,
look
sir, but-
here. Okay, just look here. I've enabled onion skin by going to the option, and now I've actually drawn this set of circles. So let me play, and you can actually see I've created a simple bouncing image. So this is not as sophisticated as Flash. Of course, it's not as sophisticated, but you can understand the concept of layers and you can understand the concept of onion skin using this app.
Sir, can we
Sir,
reduce
we have
the
network problem.
Sir, can we reduce the speed, sir?
You can
Sir,
reduce the speed. You can just go to your project settings. You can choose the speed right here. You can see the speed is represented in frames per second right here. Okay.
Sir, we can make sir, we
Yes,
can add
sir.
music also, sir.
You can add.
Music.
Yes, you can add music also.
sir,
Yes, sir.
without the net also we can do this, sir.
Yes,
How
I
to
actually
add
think so.
music, sir?
You do the listen. All of you try the animation first. You can add music by clicking on this music icon right here. So this is somewhat complicated. You'll have to add music, then you'll have to sync music with your video. This is somewhat complicated to explain, so let me not try explaining that. You can explore that on your own. What I want you to do is just create this bouncing ball animation with flipper clip. Okay, so just once again get the permission from your parents and
Sir,
then
we
install it. Okay, if it asks you to sign in, get the permission.
Sir, it is asking how old are you only, sir?
Okay, let your parents
Sir,
answer. Ask your parents to answer that
how
question
to
once
play
again.
this, sir?
How to
My mother said his hat coming down.
How to play the animation, sir?
play the animation?
We
There is a
can
play
do.
button in the right side corner. In the right side corner, there is a play and stop button.
Sir, we can share this animation in Google Classroom, WhatsApp, and Telegram, sir.
You can click on make movie and you can share this animation. Okay,
Yes,
there are
sir.
lots and
Sir,
lots
how
of
we can
features.
sir?
What?
How we can insert the image?
What we should do, sir?
To one question at a time. So the question was how to add an image or a video. You can add an image or a video by going to this settings. You can just click on this options button. Then you can see settings here and you can see add image and add video. So you can just click on this add
Sir, this
image
name is
and you can choose any
app
image.
name is Flash only, no, sir.
What?
This app name is Flash only, no, sir. Flash.
This app is called as Flipper Clip. So
No,
Flash.
sir. You take the lesson, no, sir. That
Yes.
full name is Flash, sir.
Yes, full name is Flash 8.
Okay, sir. Thanks, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we can choose the images which is in our device or from Google we have to take it, sir.
From your device.
Okay, sir.
If you don't want the image, you can just select and you can delete it.
Sir, can we shrink the drawn object, sir?
What?
Can we shrink the drawn object, sir?
You want to what?
Sir, you have drawn one ball, no, sir.
Yes.
Can we shrink that, sir?
I think you can. I'm not actually sure, so let me try. So you can use this lasso tool right here. You can use this lasso tool. You can select whatever object you want. Like I'm showing you right now. Select the object, then you'll get this grid. You can use this grid to shrink or invert or reduce or enlarge.
Sir,
Yes.
between a call came, sir, your sound went low, sir. Can I rejoin, sir?
Okay, the class is almost over now. It's we don't have seen the demo. You can rejoin, but we're just going to ask questions now. So if anyone has any questions, you can ask them now. But if you want to disconnect, if you have some other class you want to go to, you can of course disconnect. So just make sure you give your attendance in Google Classroom. All right. So those who have questions or doubts, you can ask your questions and doubts now. I have time. I'll clear it up for you.
Sir, in that app.
One at a time.
Sir, Kavya, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in that app, they are asking age, sir, how we should give our actual age.
Sir, we need to give actual age sheet, sir. I'll get that only, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
so
we should give our elders age, sir, because the Google will block the sir.
Don't you create a project and make a movie? It is showing for me, sir.
okay, just wait. Let me install this app on my phone and let me check. Just 1 second.
Sir,
Sir, if we need the perfect shape of circle, what should we do?
Animation, sir.
Okay, one question at a time. I'm not able to understand you.
Sir, does any other similar apps or like this, sir, without any ads?
I don't think we have any of those. I actually checked. We went through many, like 20 or 30 apps. The other apps are somewhat complicated, or you have to pay some premium. You have to pay some money. So this is the only free app that we found. So if you find any other free app, please let us know. So we'll just switch over to that app.
Sir, is this app is you safe, sir?
Sir, can we leave, sir?
Yes.
Sir, if we need the perfect
Animation, sir.
what should we do,
Okay.
sir?
Lots of people are speaking at the same time.
Sir,
Sir, if we need
Wait.
the perfect
sir.
Wait. Danya SS, you can ask your question.
Sir, if we need the perfect shape